Good everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is December 12, 2022. This is the NIKKEI Japanese market update. As you can see here, it's bounced slightly from our previous update, and the Stochastic is still moving towards the overbought, but gone past the midpoint. Although the CCI 1500 is still showing a downtrend, so it's probably not a strong advance. On the 4-hour chart, the Stochastic is bounced off the coming down towards the overbought and bouncing, going to break through that shortly, most likely. The CCI is still in an uptrend, and the hourly chart has come down and bounced off the oversold territory with the CCI still in decline. Now, where are we going with all this? So let's have a look at the Fibonacci retracements first on the previous highs and lows there. So if we draw a Fibonacci retracement, you can see there it's bounced off the 38% level. Now, if it continues down, there's a couple of scenarios here. We'll draw a wedge from on the daily chart along those highs. So it may well advance towards past that high there. Alternatively, it may come and break through that diagonal trend line. So there is a bit of a diagonal wedge pattern forming there, and it may well continue in that pattern for some time. If it does break through there, where can we see it go? Well, if we look at the on the the hourly chart, let's try and do this. So if we go from the extension from that high, let me do that again. This doesn't always work sometimes. You can see there if it does proceed further down and it breaks through this lower diagonal, we can expect it to come down to as far as in this area between a 61.8 and a 78.6 at least, if not further. And that is a price range between 27.15 to 27.339. So that's roughly in that 50% range in that area there if it breaks down below that diagonal. So anyway, overall, the bigger picture is it's still in a downtrend. I wouldn't get too excited about going along at this stage. I'd continue with any shorts and in alignment with the hourly short on the CCI 1500. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. The reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.